Stripes and plaids are really fun to sew with. You'll need a few extra steps to get success with these fabrics. When you're laying out your fabric, you can align it using the notches, the waist and hip lines, the neckline and the hem, and also center motifs in the front and back. If you have a large plaid, center the boldest color, front, back, top, and bottom on the bodice, and then carry that same layout over to the sleeves and to other pieces of the garment. Once you have one piece cut out the way you like it, you can use it as a template to cut the second piece. Just flip it over and align. Bias cut can be a great way to add dimension to your sewing project. It's also useful when it's really difficult to match. You can try it especially on yokes and pockets to add some interest to your garment. When you're sewing with this, often basting works really well. You can try pinning through the motif, lining up the motif with the pins, and you can also try a walking foot to feed the fabric evenly. If you have a print that's gridded like these red poppies, treat it like exactly like a stripe and you'll get a good layout every time. Want to give it a try? Check out Style Falcon sewing patterns at stylefalcon.net.